In this lesson we will discuss perpendicular lines. See, two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect at right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. So these two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect. So see, they are making the right angle triangle which is equal to 90 degree. So this is the theorem, this is the very important note. How we know that these two lines are perpendicular, how these two lines are making the angle of a 90 degree or right angle triangle. So two lines with non-zero slopes m1 and m2. So m1 represents the slope of first equation, m2 represents the slope of the second equation. If m1 and m2 are perpendicular, if and only if. One more time I will read for you, then we will discuss two lines with a non-zero slopes. See, slope should not be equal to 0. Non-zero slope are perpendicular if and only if m1 means the slope of the first equation is equal to -1 divided by like this, m1 equal to -1 over m2. When we cross multiply these two, it will be m1 m2 which is equal to -1. So when we will multiply the slope of the two equations m1 and m2, it should be equal to -1. If it is equal to -1, it means two lines are perpendicular, otherwise not. So see, this is the question. These are the two equations, line equations. 2x plus 5y is equal to 7 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 2. We have to find out whether these two are perpendicular, whether these two equations are making the angle of a right angle or not. Right? So we will start from the first equation. It is 2x plus 5y equal to 7. So as I have told you that we have to solve for y, 5y and then 7 -2x. We want only y here, so we have to divide it by each and every term with y. So it will be y is equal to, or if you want, you can bring -2x first, this first term, and then there is no sign, it means positive. So y is equal to -2x divided by 5 plus 7 over 5. Now the second equation, 5x plus 2y is equal to 2. We have to solve for y. 2y is equal to 2 minus 5x, but here we want only the value of y, so we have to divide it by 2. This will cancel. We have now only y, which is equal to 1 -5x over 2, or we can write down y is equal to -5 over 2x positive 1. So see, this is the coefficient, this is the coefficient, this is the m1. What is the formula? m1 m2 should be equal to -1. So m1 is -2 over 5 and this is m2, only the coefficient. The coefficient of x is -5 over 2. So see, this negative and negative will be positive. 2, this one, we cancel each other because there is a multiplication sign, right? Do not be confused with this negative. These are like this, this and this. So this 5 will cancel this, minus minus positive, so it will be +1 is equal to -1. So this is not equal. 1 is not equal to -1. It means these two lines are not perpendicular to each other. These are not making the angle of 90 degree. So again, if any point is not clear, please ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.